We're at District Tooling in Harlow. Surprisingly enough, in Harlow. Now these guys have turned engineering into an absolute art form. So let's go and have a chat with Stuart and find out what they actually do. Stuart, good afternoon.
Hi, Colin.
Now, I see you've got a component running there. Can you tell me a bit about what you guys actually do?
We tend to stick with the one-off bespoke parts, very tight tolerance, and they would be eventually used as a moulding, but these are to be tested first as a one-off.
So really intricate, one-off, small batch runs.
Very small, just mainly one-offs, to be honest.
So where would you actually start on that component?
I'd start on, our customer will send us a 3D model, and we'll load it onto the computer and program it offline, and then we send the information to the CNC machine, which I can show you right now.
Let's go and have a look. So you'll get a model from your customer. What will happen then?
I will load it onto our software here, and then I will program it from here, and then I'll input it into the machine, and then we will make this as a one-off part, very bespoke part, a lot of complications obviously with sizes and that. This is a lot smaller than you can see on screen, as it's probably about 5mm in length with very small slots and radiuses.
So that part is about 5mm across, so that's a really tiny and intricate part. So you'll do all the tooling, jigging, etc. for this?
Tooling, jigging, etc. And you need an eyeglass to actually look at the finished part when measuring.
That is absolutely amazing. Have you got another example of the work you do?
I have, yeah. As you can see, this is a part I'm actually machining at present. Again, this is made out of one solid piece, and with upstands. And this will be made of white acetal. Again, another small part, which we will use cutters down to as small as, say, 0.4 diameter here needed.
Okay, let's go and have a look at the part being machined.
Okay.
So we've just seen this component on the screen. It's now being manufactured. What are you actually doing here, Stuart?
I have it in a fixture jig there, so to hold it, stop the sides collapsing and stuff, and it's just 3D machining the profile onto the job there.
Excellent. So really, to summarise what you guys do, I'd say you've taken engineering and turned it into real art form.